Anyways, we're making gamer fuel. What are you doing? And here's what you're gonna need. What you want to do is put in the oven. I said oven. You need a nice, see this? Nice little piece of pizza. 1.5 liter of Mountain Dew. Alright? What you do is oh shit. You want to sprinkle a bit of Mountain Dew on it. Just a little bit. You know, just a little bit. Make sure you know it's just in there. You don't have to put too much. You know, you just wanna kind of, you know, flip it around. Make sure it's okay. You want to get a raw egg. Now, there's something about raw eggs that just makes me horny. So, and then you just want to break it on the thing, right? Make sure you take the. Just want to rub it in. You want to make sure the yolk. Get the egg yolky in there. Oh jeez. Just rub it all in, right? The dirty cheese. You guess your nice Kraft single whole American cheese, right? Right? You want to do it? You slap it on there. You want to wait for it to fall? Oh! Still pretty clean. You want to make sure, you want to really get it dirty. You just kind of do a Toy Story thing. You know, land it in there. Just kind of make it so that it's. What you want to do is you want to get the peach Activia, right? You want to get the peach Activia. Just want to scoop some in there, just like that. Not too much. You don't have to use the whole thing like I'm doing, but if you want, this is gamer food for gamers. You understand me? Fucking understand me? So you got it nice, right? You just wanna let it dip. Whoa, oh, hey, oh, there you go. We're not done yet. Suckers think I'm fucking done? Huh? You think I'm fucking done? Does it look like I'm done? Does it look like I'm done? There we go. Now we're talking. Now what you want to do is you want to get some nice Colgate. This is to make sure your insides smell great, because when you're gaming, you're not gonna smell too good. So thanks to Colgate for let me buy this. So what you want to do is you just want to spread a bit, just a little bit. There you go. That's enough. What do you think about this?
It's disgusting. It smells minty. It's disgusting. I mean, the cheese fell off and it's in this abyss. Good lord. What is that?
Let me live my life.
Wait.
Let me live my life. This is how I live.
Understand this is Mountain Dew and eggs.
Alright, so now you gotta get some sugar, because we all know we need sugar to stay up all night playing Fallout 4 when it comes out. I know I am. This is what I'm gonna be making when Fallout 4 comes out. Don't you give me that one. Sprinkle some. Ooh. Rock. You get some sugar. Crackers are essential. Crackers are white people. So here we go. Already. Here you go. You want to treat it like it's pepperoni. I'm gonna go ahead and there you go. There you go. That's pretty good. What do you think?
No.
Okay, cool. We're doing good. Butter. Yes. We need butters, because your fat ass is still gaming on the couch, so we need to clog your arteries, young man. Get that on there. You know what I mean? Just want to get some of this butter. Kind of slide it up on there. Right? Right? We gonna run this town alive. Can you get that? Can you get that? dabble a bit. This is just a bit. Just the tip. Just the tip. You want to get some ketchup, and you want to make sure the bottle's empty, so you just squirt out a little bit. So it's just, there you go. That's what you want. You hear that sound? Do you hear that sound? That's what you want. Fuck you very much. A nutmeg, because I like nutmeg all in my mouth. Dabble that shit on there. See, it looks good, doesn't it?
No.
What do you mean it doesn't look good?
No.
You understand me?
It's raw, man.
It's fucking raw!
Oh, God. It's turning blue.
Oh, no. Syrup. We're gonna get some Hershey syrup. Strawberry, right? Just want to make sure that's in there good. Concentration. Thanks for sending this to me, Hershey. I love it. So, we're here so far now. This is gonna be the main course of the gamer food, but you want to have some sides. And I have a hard drive with System 32 on it I need to get rid of, so let me put that in the microwave. Yeah, we're doing it. I got System 32. And put it in the microwave for, let's just say 5 seconds. What do you think? I'm afraid to touch it. So now that we got microwave hard drive, we're gonna put it inside. So we got some sides going on. So we got the crane, and you just want to put it, bam, you're done. You're done. You're done. You're done. I'm out. You're done. And now you're ready to eat your meal, and I brought along a friend with me. She knew. You don't want none of this gamer food?
No, hell no.
Excuse me. Worked very hard. Three, two. It's good. It's good. It's good. I'm done. It was just vomited it. I'm done. So next episode we're gonna be making Asian food, so stay tuned. I'm gonna go kill myself. I'll see you guys.